What is JWT? That is JSON Web Token. It allows you to connect two applications securely in a trusted way through tokens. Now let me show you how authentication takes place through JWT. Let's say if a user logs into a website, it passes the username and password. Server retrieves the information. It validates the credential, right? And then it generates the token. The token is in header.payload.signature format, right? And then token is in the this format, EYJH, something like this. Now in every request you have to send the token through a request. Let's say if you are sending in get request, you have to add the authorization bearer, and then you have to append the token. That is how the server will now validate the signature of the token along with the request, and if the signature matches, then the request is properly validated and the response is sent. Now also let me show you how the token looks like, right? There are three components in a JWT string. First one is header, which shows the type of token algorithm used, right? And the next show component shows payload, that is information of user name, expiration of the token, role. The third is important component here, which is signature. How the signature is built actually in the token. So first of all, this header and payload are encoded in base 64 URL format, right? And those two are added, and on top of that, with the secret key, you hash that. So this is used through HMAC, which is hash based message authentication code. Using the secret key, it hashes the entire payload and header, and that is how the signature is built. Thank you.